Agenda item 3, which is consideration of approval of the canvass of the April 2, 2013 Mesquite City primary elections, returns and declaration of results, possible action. Ms. Lawson, would you like to move on this, or would you defer? Okay. Ms. Hunt.
Thank you, Mayor and Council. As you know, the voters in the primary, there were 2,374 voters. And Mr. Littman got 1,284 total votes and was declared the winner of one of the seats. And so he was declared, therefore 4 would go to the general for the other 2 seats. I just wanted to clarify that this is the exact situation that happened in 2007. And at the time, Mr. Fisher did not go on. When Mr. Bennett won one of his seats for re-election, there was only going to be 2 seats, and so only 2 were going to go on for the general for the other seat, because Mr. Bennett was declared a winner pursuant to the Mesquite Code, Municipal Code. So Mr. Fisher wasn't able to go on, and so he filed for a writ of mandamus and a declaratory relief stating that he should be able to go on to the ballot, that Mr. Bennett should not have been declared. I was actually the one who went down representing the city and argued that we were correct in our reading, that we were following the Mesquite Municipal Code. Mr. Lomax was also, who is the Registrar of Voters, was named in this as well. And he backed what the city was saying. I argued the case on Tuesday, April 24th, 2007, before Judge Wall. And on, sorry, I have to get the dates correct. Let's see. On the 2nd of May, 2007, Judge Wall, David T. Wall, ruled that the city of Mesquite was correct, that Mr. Fisher would not be able to go on, that only 2 would be able to go on, because he recognized the city's argument that the only way someone could win as is contemplated in the Mesquite Municipal Code is if they got 50% plus 1 of the people who voted, not of all the votes cast, because if they did that, they wouldn't be able to win. They'd have to win 3 times and divide it. It wouldn't happen because people only vote once for one candidate. And so there was an order that was filed, and only 2 went on in that. And this is the exact same situation. And that's why Mr. Littman was declared a winner in the primary. And I'd also like to add that the same thing occurred in the mayor's race in the last primary. And Mark Weir was named the winner in that one because he won 50 plus 1% over, as is contemplated.
Thank you, Ms. Hunt. Any question, Councilman Hafen?
Yeah, I would just for clarification, you know, we're talking about rumors, and there have been some concern that this vote was manipulated. It was not manipulated. The numbers are what they are. It's by voter. Mr. Littman would have had to get, if one person could vote for the same guy, which can't happen, that would have meant that there was 7,122 votes. So in order for Mr. Littman to get over 50%, he would have had to get 3,561 votes, when there was only 2,374 voters. Not possible. Not logic, not common sense. It doesn't work that way. There was 2,374 voters. Mr. Littman got 1,284 votes. All he needed to get half was 1,187. It's law, it's logic, it's common sense, it's fair. Mr. Littman won. Just for clarification, if there's anybody that has concern, we need to sit down and go through the numbers, because legitimately Mr. Littman received over 50% of the vote.
Any further questions or comments? Okay, seeing none, we'll seek a motion on agenda item 13, or 3. Go ahead, Councilman Robinson.
Yeah, I'll move to approve the canvass of the April 2nd, 2013 Mesquite City primary elections returns and declaration of the result.
Second.
We have a motion and a second. Call for the vote. That motion carries. Thank you.